Okay, guys, this is SJ talking back. So, please donate to the flood relief. Oh, God, guys, come on. We literally did this. We have to save Afghanistan, maybe Karachi, all of those people. Pakistan is in a wreck. So, please, guys, please, I'm literally begging you, just to the donate to the flood relief. I don't care. You guys don't have to subscribe. You guys don't have to like. You guys don't have to do any of that shit. Just please donate to flood reliefs. Please, guys, I am begging you. Please. Like, the dams are overflowing. Everything is gone. Pakistan may go to an end. Who knows? Please donate. Okay, bye.